Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my nighttime skincare routine when I am using retinol. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do my nighttime skincare routine, then please stay tuned. Okay, so when I wash my face, I usually wash my face in the shower. So I am going to do that in the sink for this video. But first I'm going to take off my makeup. I have makeup on, so we're going to remove that. This is what I use. I do not like this. I usually get the green one, but for whatever reason I bought this one because it has for whatever reason I bought this one. I don't like it. I like the green one, so I bought the wrong one, but I never took it back. But we're gonna take it off with some cotton rounds, and yeah. So it is like really oil based, so I just shake it up. It's really good for removing eyelash glue, but it leaves a residue on my skin, and I just really do not like that. But let's take this makeup off. I am going to probably do this about like 3 times to get everything off. Yeah, I just take it off. I'm probably being too rough for some people, but I just take it off, okay? All right, so that is good enough for me. Time to wash my face. So to wash my face, I just use African black soap. I used to use this other soap. I always use the soap that I wash my body with to wash my face, and that's just what I use. So I don't have a cleanser, but you know, I'm looking into another soap though, because this African black soap can be so drying. So I have to figure something out because it's like starting to dry my body skin out too much. But okay, let's get into this. So like I can feel that makeup remover is still on my skin. This is what the African black soap looks like. But we're just gonna go in first. Make sure you hit the chin, okay? Get it going. And now I'm gonna take this scrubber that I use from Eco Tools and massage it into my soap bar, and then just lightly go over my face. I use this scrubber every day. I try not to be harsh with it because, you know, it is like lightly exfoliating my skin, so I just use it very gently. So I do this once all over, and then I am going to rinse it off and then wash again with the black soap. So that's what I'm gonna do. See what it's giving. So I cleanse twice. So like I said, I do this in the shower. So after I exfoliate it, I kind of leave this second cleanse on just for a little bit, like 30 seconds or so while I'm in the shower. But for this video, I'm about to rinse this off, okay? So let's rinse it off. I really see why people be using those armband thingies, because this is a mess. My sleeves are definitely wet. Okay, face is clean. All right. And I usually don't pat my face dry. But I usually let it air dry. But I'm just gonna try to speed things up a little bit. I'm only my nose. But I'm just gonna speed things up a little bit. I like to let my face air dry because, you know, yeah, it's just something that I like to do. Okay, so these are my toners. I go in first with the Thayers, and then I go in with my badescu. Then my Thayers is in this spray bottle. I like to put my toners in a spray bottle, okay? I'm gonna hit it with the Thayers first and then the badescu second. Yes. And now I'm gonna let this air dry. So this I'm not actually gonna pat dry because then you just be taking off your toner like. So I let it air dry. Okay, so now that our toners are on, it is time to move on to our serums. Okay, so I'm going to be using 3 different kind of serums today, all from the brand The Ordinary. I found this brand on TikTok and I just like really fell in love with their products. So the first thing we're going to use is hyaluronic acid. Then we're going to go in with the retinol and squalene, and then we're going to go in with the niacinamide. So hyaluronic acid helps your skin retain moisture and all those good things. There is a bunch load of benefits on all of these products. I'll do my best to try and put some of those benefits on the screen. So first off, we're gonna go in with the hyaluronic acid. And this is what we're doing. One of the things I want to incorporate into my skincare routine is gua sha. I want a real jade gua sha, and I don't know where to find it. For some reason, I be thinking they be fake. Like the ones that be in like Sephora and Ulta. I don't know why I feel like they're fake. If anyone knows where I can get a real gua sha, please, a jade one, let me know down in the comment section. Okay, so the hyaluronic acid is on. Now we're gonna move on to the retinol. I learned through vigorous research about these products. Before I tried these products, I really researched them, and I learned that it's best to put the hyaluronic acid on before the retinol because retinol can dry your skin out. But for the retinol, I use this anywhere from 1 to 3 times a week. It's best to be used after hyaluronic acid, so you know you get that moisture barrier and the retinol isn't too drying on your skin. All right, all the information will be on the screen, you guys. This is probably too much. Some people be like, that's too much. Listen, do what you want to do for you, and I'm gonna do what I want to do for me, okay? But that's about how much I use. And I like to, you know, put it on my lips too. I'll put it on my lips too, okay? So that's what it's giving after the retinol is on. Yes. Now on to the niacinamide. The reason why I was interested in the niacinamide is because it helps even out your skin tone. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles, texture of the skin. We need all that, okay? We want and need all that. And most of these products have similar benefits, but we are going to use them all anyway because although they have similar benefits, they also have benefits that the other ones won't do, okay? Okay, so now I am going to moisturize. I'm actually going to use a new moisturizer that I bought today because I'm running out of my other ones, and it is by The Ordinary. It's their Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA. So this is supposed to be really, really hydrating, and I like that. And I am going to use this today. Now, let me tell you what I've been using. I'll either use this moisturizer from Sephora. I'm gonna put it on the screen because I couldn't find it in Sephora today because I couldn't remember which one it was. And I was using this product by Lush, which is their it's their moisturizer named Celestial, or I'll use the Tatcha Dewy moisturizer one. I'm gonna put all this information on the screen too. I've seen some good things about this on TikTok, so we are gonna try this one tonight, all right? So we are getting into the moisturizing phase, okay? We cleanse, we tone, we serum, we moisturize. Oh, it's not even open. Hold on. I'm gonna start off with a little bit because I don't know. Ew. Okay, we're gonna start off with that much. Let's see. It feels very, ooh, 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 ooh. Yes. Ooh. This feels so hydrating. Oh my God. Ooh. I want some more. I want some more. Okay, we're gonna put some more on the top. This feels so like smooth, like, I don't know, it feels fluid. Like, it just is allowing me to work it into my skin really well. Some moisturizers would feel like they will kind of dry out before you can really, you know, work it into your skin. But this one, skin is looking beautiful. Yes. Okay, so I know this may seem out of order, but this is just my little thing that I like to do. The last thing I'm gonna do is add this homemade serum to my face. It is aloe vera oil, vitamin E, essential oil, and calendula flower. And I like to just top my skin off with that. After I put my moisturizer, I like to go to bed shiny and moisturized. And this smells so good, like the freshness of that. Did I say vitamin E? I meant to say lime essential oil. The freshness of the lime essential oil in the way that it smells. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so excited to see what my skin is gonna look like in the morning, all right? Now that that's done, the last thing to do is add our lip balm for the night. And I'm just using this badescu lip balm. Something nice and cozy on the lips before we go to sleep. So yes, that is my nighttime skincare routine, you guys. If you have any questions, please leave those questions down for me in the comment section. I am not an esthetician. I am not a skincare expert. This is just what I do. So if you want my opinion on any of these products that I use tonight in further detail, ask me some questions down in the comment section, and I will be happy to give you my opinion on these products, okay? Please do your research before you try any of these products. If you want to try a product, do a patch test. Don't just go all in on your skin if you know you have sensitive skin, okay? Research, test, and then, you know, give it out. Don't be saying Karen told you to do something and it broke your skin out, because I'm here to tell you to try, do a patch test, okay? And be wary of what's going on with your skin. If it has acne and all that stuff, you want to research things like, can I use retinol while my acne is active? Please do your research, okay? Yeah. Yes, I guess that's all I have to say. This was fun sharing my skincare routine with you. I get a lot of questions on my Instagram about my skincare routine, so I finally will have a video up, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I will see you guys later. Good night. Bye.